What's up, guys? I'm in an old, beautiful Art Deco two-story. It's like a villa, almost. This place, the salvage process has also started on this place. All I can say right now is I think this is going to be pretty cool. I haven't gone past the entry here. I just had to close over those curtains. There's my backpack. Now, it's 2 stories. I haven't gone past here. I've just got my camera out, fired it up. So, let's go. It's an old gas heater put into the original fireplace. So there would have been wall features inside there and they've taken them out. It's an old recliner. As we saw at the start, look at that chandelier. I'll really take my time with this one too. Look at that. It's almost like the old 50s eating booth. Okay, wow, look at that, this huge fridge. See, they've taken the taps. This place has been picked apart, but there's no graffiti, so I think it's the salvage guys have already started picking out what they want. The old stove. So the stairs must be around here. There they are. Another awesome chandelier. Look at that orange. There's actually exit lights here. I'm guessing this was some sort of restaurant. Because any operating business has to have a fire exit strategy that has exit lights. So this place would have been an operating business. Maybe when we get upstairs it'll give us a bit more indication of what this was. Get around this side because the camera is adjusting its exposure due to that massive window, but look at this. Look at the colour. This is so Art Deco, this is awesome. I actually live in an Art Deco block of units. I might actually show the outside one day because it is awesome. It's old, but it's awesome. Maybe that's why I like these Art Deco places so much. I think that's upside down. (2010). Okay, that's some sort of indication. We might find something else. It's a power board. It's a fold-out sofa by the look of it. Another room. Lease office complex. There's those wall features. That first room I started in, that's what was taken out of those walls. There they are there. All this Art Deco stuff someone is going to salvage. I really love these pastel colours. Alright, there's the back door. Okay, we've got a newspaper here. May 2009. Alright, so it may have been, like the calendar suggests, around 2010. Another pink. I wonder if this is open. No, it is. Oh well. At least I know I can go out that way as well. Alright, here's the other side of that fridge from the kitchen. That is exactly the same style cabinet that's in the old Art Deco house in the abandoned block.
'Cause there's no harm in wishing when you're thinking of someone until dawn. I hear this world is an old wishing well. If you believe it, then things turn out swell.
Alright, let's go upstairs. Mirrors straight off. Heaps of junk out on the patio. Balcony, patio, whatever you want to call it. There's another room around to the left here. I'm not going to walk out on the balcony. This would have been a nice bedroom to have with the domed window. Alright, I think that is every room I've been in. So I'm going to head downstairs again and just have a look around. I'm going to take some more video with a different camera with a fisheye lens. So if I see anything else I've missed, I'll include it.
by the night wind, and the dream we shared fell apart. Now I'm all alone in the night wind, wind that brought the blues to my heart. Yesterday my arms were around you, and your lips revealed you were mine. Then the angry wind came and found you, came to end a moment divine. Oh, that night wind seems to taunt me, seems to haunt me, now that you don't want me. Why is lover's lane filled with shadows? Stars no longer shine up above, and I'm all alone in the shadows, till that night wind brings back our love.
I'm going to begin to wrap it up here, guys, but I want you guys to let me know what you think about this place. I definitely think it was some sort of business because of these exit lights. What it was, I don't know, but my guess is it was some sort of restaurant because of the really nice lights and the way a few of these rooms are structured. I mean, I may be totally wrong. That could be a really big, nice dining room. Yeah, so let me know what you think, because this is just vintage Art Deco. Love Art Deco. Love all the colours, ornaments, fixtures, everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We will catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers. See ya.